You're living in an era where AI can write code for you, yet somehow it's not working the way you want. Sound familiar? Claude Code has several tricks that, once you know them, will completely transform your experience. In this video, we'll cover all of them at once. Let's start with what Claude Code actually is. It's an AI coding tool that runs in your terminal, autonomously handling file reading and writing, command execution, and Git operations. Unlike simple code completion, it understands your entire project context before executing any task, and that's what sets it apart. The very first thing you should do is set up your Claude.md file. This file acts as your project's manual and gets loaded automatically every time. 3 things to include: your tech stack, your coding conventions, and your most used commands. That alone means you never have to re-explain your project from scratch, and you'll consistently get high-quality code in return. Next is how you phrase your requests. Vague instructions like "fix the bug" tend to produce lower quality. What works is describing the file, the feature, and the symptom in a single sentence. For example, JWT verification is failing in the login function in src/auth.ts. I think the expiry check is missing gets you a precise fix immediately. For large features, try saying "just review the design for now" to break it into phases. Claude Code has a feature called Plan Mode. It lets you map out the implementation plan before writing a single line of code. Use it before large refactors or new feature work to catch misalignments early. Cases of the design was right but the implementation went wrong drop dramatically. The more complex the task, the more you should use it. Hooks let you automatically run commands at specific moments. You can set up linting to run automatically after Claude saves a file, or run your test suite before every commit. All you need is a few lines in settings.json. It eliminates repetitive manual steps like running npm test every time, and it's also great for automatically enforcing your team's coding standards. MCP stands for Model Context Protocol, a system for extending Claude Code's capabilities. Set up a GitHub MCP server and you can write code while directly referencing issues and PRs. Use a database MCP and it'll generate SQL while looking at your schema. Just add the server info to a config file and Claude Code becomes far more than just a coding assistant. Here are 3 common mistakes to watch out for. First, asking for tasks that are too large at once. Context gets fragmented and quality drops. Second, using generated code without reviewing it. AI makes mistakes too, so always check. Third, pasting errors without any context. Adding which file and which function the error came from dramatically speeds up resolution. Today we covered setting up Claude.md, writing effective prompts, plan mode, hooks, MCP integration, and how to avoid common pitfalls. Put even one of these into practice and your experience with Claude Code will change significantly. Start today.